Hey y'all. How's everybody doing? Well, part of what's going on is I need my eyes done. How are y'all doing? Y'all, my coffee is not on demand right now. I need it, but I don't have it. I just wanted to get my eyes on, and while I was talking to y'all, I wanted to show you some products before I do my lashes. I'm going to put on this. Hold on. This is the Tartist. And on one end, it is a crayon liner, which goes on pretty smoothly. Feels a little dried out, I think, because I haven't been using it. And on the other end, it's a liquid liner, and it has become my go-to just because, as far as the crayon liner, I am to the point that I believe it is as good as my It Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof. I know. They're like, Beth, you have never not gone with It Cosmetics. And I know that is who I normally go with. I know. I still like them. But excuse me. Why is my throat getting stuffed? I think it's fall. I'm so excited. I love fall. But it does have, you know, it's just like the beginning of spring. There's certain allergens that you have in fall that you don't have in summer. I know one of them, someone told me, I don't know this, I'm not a pharmacist or florist. Ragweed, I've heard, blooms right now, and that's one of the worst. I do know that. For most people, ragweed has a response in the eyes and running of nose. Dog hair. Okay, so I went ahead this time. Excuse me, I probably will do that involuntarily, and I have not blended my shadow down. What is with me today? Anyway, so one of the things I wanted to do is show you a little haul. So this will be a haul, get ready with me, from Bath & Body Works. Got some good stuff, y'all. Oh my gosh, got such good stuff. Alright, but hold on, I gotta get my lashes on. And I'm going with a very simple, almost kind of a shorter cat eye than I normally do. I'll call it the unprocessed cat eye, because I'm not going to a lot of extra trouble. You know what? This one seems a little dried out, both in the liquid and in the crayon. And I bet it's because it's about done. Here's the thing. Makeup doesn't last forever. Except I bet makeup forever would disagree with you. I wonder where they got their name. I don't really wonder. I mean, you don't have to tell me. I wonder if it was like makeup forever, or was it, you know, like your makeup will last forever if you do it the way we tell you to. I don't know. I used their liquid foundation once. Sorry about that, y'all. I used their liquid foundation once, and I didn't find it to be that great. I mean, I've heard that their new cream in a stick foundation is amazing. But I wonder if it's because it's drier. But if you just put on your foundation, it's not. And therefore, it would be a heavy foundation with lots of moisture. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll try it. Do y'all want me to try it? Okay, so mascara. What are we going to do today? You know, let's do an Old Faithful I haven't done in a while. The Lash Paradise from L'Oreal in black waterproof. Yeah, because it's dried out. Hello, what is it? Is everything that I'm having just being dried out? Can y'all tell I'm going extra fast? The reasons I want to get to showing y'all my haul. I got some really good stuff at Bath & Body Works, and one of them is a room spray, y'all, that I am in love with, called Vanilla Birch. Get to your local Bath and Body Works, and you better get that before it sells out. Because here's the bad thing about them. They're kind of like Chanel in the sense you love their products. Like I love Cider Lane candle. They're not carrying it this year. I don't know. They're not through rolling out. Maybe they will. Maybe they will. Let's hope they do. But I'm just like, you know, you get these incredible scents and then you discontinue them. I know Yankee Candle did that too. So it's just, and I think what pretty much drives that is a lack of sales. So if you really love something, just buy the stew out of it. For two reasons. One thing, it'll keep it on the list. Number two, to keep year to year. And the other thing is, if they don't, then you'll have some extras since it's then gone. And the thing is, they say they will, well, they don't say anything. I'm saying they will probably have something come out similar, but it's a lot of times in the similarity, it's not similar enough for me. You know, I have two of these. I'm going to see if this one's just right out. My finger's hurting today. Y'all have little aches and pains. Alright, alright. I'm tipping out the ends, especially these little outer ones towards my ear, and this towards my nose, and these just straight up. The good thing about tipping the ends of your lashes is when you come through, it has something to come through too, and it kind of completes the coverage, and that way you don't have like little powdery powder on your lashes. I can't stand that. I want to make sure that all my lashes covered. And I've noticed you look younger. I don't know who started this thing about not, you know, doing your lower lashes. Just your upper lashes because it look more natural. I think it makes you look older, y'all. I think when you do your lower lashes, look how they're just kind of spiky. I don't know. They look younger to me. You know, it kind of says I've got a lot of lashes, especially if you wear glasses, y'all. Sometimes your eyes, or not your eyes, but your eyelashes, and if you like eyelashes, which most people do, it's so funny what we choose to like. Anyway, if you really focus on the underlash, I feel like it comes through better on lashes. Underlash, the lower lash. My eyes have been really irritated lately, and I don't know if it's, you know, pollen, a new pollen with the season change starting, or if it is a product. Or if I've just got a little eye infection, but I got a little pooch right there, and it's been there for months. Months and months and months. And so I need to go to the eye doctor. I saw, I don't know if it was a video or just an article. I don't think it was just an Instagram. But, where someone had thought they had a sty, then they thought it was a cyst, and then they did an x-ray, I guess because they thought they were going to have to lance it or whatever. When they did the x-ray, guess what they found? It was an old contact stuck in there. Frightening. Okay, so, I think I've done everything for that, so let's get right to it. So the first thing from Bath & Body Works is Red Apples and Spice Gentle Hand Soap. Now, I like this new, packaging. You know, it's very sleek, black and white, and then, you know, just a red apple. But what I really love is the smell, and this is like, okay, the notes are juicy apple, cinnamon, and bourbon. I don't know what bourbon's supposed to smell like, but y'all, this smells so good. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells good. I don't smell an alcohol smell like apple at all. Anyway, so this is going to be my new kitchen soap, so that's going downstairs. Again, that's what it looks like. Juicy apple, cinnamon. That's the main thing I wanted to get was apple cinnamon smell for the fall. So that's going to be my kitchen soap. And then I needed to have a soap for my upstairs bathroom, my son's bathroom, or guest bathroom, since he's basically not living here. He's getting his master's away at school and has been for years now, so I'm like, you know, you still need to put soap in there for when the grandkids come over, if a guest come over, or whatever. When he comes home, he tries to come home when he can. He's very, very busy, which I'm proud of him. I'm glad for him. But this doesn't say what the notes are on this. Anyway, it's caramel, pumpkin, swirl. Over here it says it. That's weird. So on this one, the notes are on the back. On this one, the notes, the fragrance notes are right here on the side. luscious caramel, brown sugar, and creamy vanilla. And he loves those smells, so that's why I did get it in his honor, even though he's not here. Let's see the smell. It just smells like waffles. And it's not the waffle one. Maybe it's the brown sugar. I don't know. Caramel, vanilla, maybe it's vanilla. Anyway, there we go. Make sure it's openable. So that's that one. So this one's for kitchen. This one is for guest bathroom. And then I have autumn pumpkin. See how they switched the black white? And I have a black counter guest bath downstairs next to the kitchen. You know, for when people come in. We're having life group or something. This is autumn pumpkin, and it has white tea and ginseng extracts. And the scents are warm pumpkin, cinnamon sugar, and clove buds. This may have to go by the sink. I don't know. Which one should I put by the sink, y'all? I don't know. That smells really good. Really good. Really good. This may be the bathroom one. I don't know. Here's the thing. They're so tiny, right? You can switch them out. Okay. Then what else did I get? Well, I had to have some hand sanitizer, which I love the little pocket backs. Oh, this is my 1,000 Wishes. That's because I think I did it while I was vlogging the other day. I went ahead and put the fragrance of fall one. What was it? I think it was Cinnamon Swirl in my keychain holder. I've got a keychain holder that fits these. And that's why this is 1,000 Wishes, which it smells really good too. But I do like these, and I do like having them handy. And then this one, oh my gosh, is the favorite I was telling you about, Warm Vanilla Birch. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is going to be a super favorite. And then, oh, I got to finish real fast. This candle, Warm Pumpkin, and it is beautiful. I will be putting it right back there. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Anyway, that's it, you guys.